12K 25G battle for first place. Panoorin nyo ito mga idol, grabing bakbakan. So PCC Pure Stock versus 12K. So ang maglalaro eto AJ Racing. So PCC ito mga lods, George Ramos versus KTRT 12K Jensen. First hit winner AJ Racing. Second hit winner KTRT. So 1-1 na sila mga idol. So decision game. So nakuha ng AJ Racing mga idol. So winner AJ Racing PCC. Next na maglaro mga idol, AJ Racing versus APK. So APK Pure Stock, AJ Racing PCC. Alright mga idol, first hit winner AJ Racing PCC.
Alakad yan, grabing recover. Grabing recover.
Second hit mga lods.
Yes, congrats. Daog pa. Daog AJ.
So ating first runner up mga lods, AJ Racing George Ramos. Congratulations. Grabing recovery ng motor nila mga lods, nanalo pa. So second runner up KTRT Jensen, EDC on board. Congratulations. So in behalf of Justice Tuner Moto Vlog, grabe salamat tayo sa ating solid na organizer, BRT Bayugan Racing Team. Napaka-solid na event mga lods. At sa ating buting Mayor LGU Bayugan, maraming salamat po mga idol. Kita-kits ulit next race. Ride safe and God bless everyone. Sige, awarding ka.